Good morning, friends. Welcome to online study in Sri Digambar Institute of Technology, Bhandarej Mode, Dosa. This is JP Yadav from Electrical Department. Subject is analog electronics and today's topic is bipolar junction transistor. In previous sections, we will discuss about bipolar junction transistor working, types of configuration. Today we will discuss about types of configuration characteristics. There are three types of configuration. As we know, BJT has three terminal. BJT is three terminal device: ammeter, base, collector. So function of ammeter is transmit the charge. Depends upon types of semiconductor material in which ammeter is connected. If n type ammeter is present, then it emits electrons. If in the device, if ammeter is made by p type semiconductor material, then ammeter emits holes. So due to this property, ammeter designed by high doping, so more charge are emitted from ammeters. These emitted charge collected at collector terminal. Base provide the support between ammeter and collector. Thickness of base is very thin, so less number of charge is present here, and remaining 90% of charge collected at collector terminal. And the current flow is if the holes are charged, then current flow with holes. If the electrons are emitted from the collector, then current flow is opposite to the electrons. So three terminal device, which terminal are common? If the base are common, then it is called common base configuration. If the ammeter are common, then it is called common ammeter configuration. And if the collector are common terminal, then it is called common collector configuration. So we study about this configuration input and output characteristics. At first, common base characteristics. In this configuration, base is common. Input is connected between ammeter and base, and output is connected between base and collector. Input circuit is forward biased and output circuit is reverse biased. At ammeter base, DC battery is connected and at collector base DC battery connected. So the input characteristic depends upon the input supply and input current. Input supply is ammeter base voltage and input current is ammeter. So ammeter input current and ammeter base voltage graph is plotted. At first input supply increased, then the current is not flow due to the depletion layer. When the input supply is increased, slowly increased, then ammeter current increase like a diode. So the PNP transistor, the input current is in the ammeter current IE and the input voltage is the VEB, not VCB, VEB input voltage. So the graph is plotted here. It is the common base input characteristics. And output characteristics, which depends output current IC and output voltage VCB. The output characteristic shows the relation between output voltage and output current. The output characteristic shows the relation between output voltage VCB and output current IC is the output current, and collector base voltage and the ammeter current IE is the input current, and work as the parameters. The figure below shows the output characteristics of PNP transistor in common base mode. At first, input current is 0 ampere. When output voltage is increased, then output current only minority current. This is called cutoff region. Cutoff region, we can say the transistor in off state. When input current IE increased with 10 milliampere, then collector current increase in active region, and after that output current saturate. When input current increased with input wise, then output current also increase, and after that it is saturate. When input current increased 30 milliampere, then output current increased in active region faster, and after that saturate. So on input current is 50 milliampere, then the output current increased upwards and gets saturate after active region. So this is the common base output characteristics. Now we will discuss in common ammeter configuration. In common ammeter configuration, ammeter terminal is common in both input and output. So input is present between base and ammeter, and output is collected at collector terminal. So the characteristics in common ammeter configuration is input voltage VBE, base ammeter voltage, and input current IB. This characteristics is same like common base input characteristics, but the input current is IE here in common base, but input current IB here in common ammeter configuration. Here output voltage is fixed constant, then input voltage increased slowly, then input current increased like a diode. When output current is fixed another voltage, then increase the input voltage and increase the output current like a diode, so in figure. So in graph VCE is output voltage which remains constant, then graph first at 0.1 volt. At 0.2 volt output voltage is increased and shown. Output characteristics. Output characteristics between the output voltage and output current, and input current is constant. Output voltage is VCE and in output current is IC. Output characteristics of CE mode is the curve of graph between collector current IE and collector emitter voltage VCE when the base current IB is the parameter. The characteristics is shown in figure. At first, input current IB is minus 0.1 milliampere, and at this point output voltage increased VCE, then output current IC increased and get saturate after that. And IB is saturate at minus 0.2 milliampere. Then output voltage VCE increased and output current also increased. And again IB current increased with biasing of input increased. After that output voltage VCE increased, then output current also increased. Because the output current is depend on input current, when input current increased output current also increased, because due to ammeter charge is more charge emits and more current is produced at output, so the output current depend upon input current. So these are the configuration characteristics, common base and common ammeter. Here the ammeter follower working depends on it. So the common base characteristics input and common ammeter input is like that, similar, but the input current is different, IB here and IE in common base and IB in common ammeter. And output characteristics in common base is that at first current output current increase and after that is get saturate. In this region also increased at first, but after some time it saturate, because output current is saturate. So this is the output characteristics. Thanks to all watching my video.